Hi guys, welcome to my channel Trendy Unboxing. In this video, I am going to give my first impression of Chintoo's tomato soup. But before starting, if you guys are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. So without wasting much time, let's start. Guys, this is the packaging of Chintoo's tomato soup. On the front side of the packaging, they have given that 100% Swadeshi. That means this product is made in India and all the ingredients used in this are from India itself. Also, they have given the Chintoo's logo over here. And at the left side, there is a green logo, which means this is a vegetarian product. Then they have given that tomato soup, and just below that we have an image of tomato soup. Now let's see what is there on the red side. On the red side again we can see Chintoo's logo along with the tomato soup name. Then they have given the cooking instructions. Now let's see what are the ingredients in these. In this tomato soup, you get tomato powder, dehydrated coriander, salt, sugar, dehydrated onion powder, dehydrated garlic, spices, red chili powder, paprika, cornstarch, acidity regulator, fermented anti-caking agent, edible vegetable oil, fermented thickener, flavor enhancer. Also mentioned that contains added natural fermented colors. Also, they have given allergy question. This product contains soy and it is made in same facility where tree nuts and wheat products are processed. Then we also get nutritional information. Energy 358 kcal, protein 9.75 gram, carbohydrate 0.5102 grams, sugar 78.54 grams, and fat 2.38 grams. We also have the FSSAI license number over here given on the right side of the packaging. Also given that best before 12 months from the date of manufacturing. Product is manufactured and marketed by Chintoo's Food Product, survey number 342/3, Bharat Industrial Estate, Bhimpore, Daman. They have also given their contact number along with the email ID. We also have their website, that is chintoosfoodproducts.com, and they have given hunger ko mitao. The net weight of this Chintoo's tomato soup is 22 gram and it is priced at rupees 10 only. They have also given the batch number along with the manufacturing date. So guys, as far as packaging is concerned, this product comes in total white color and look very decent for me, because when I saw it in the supermarket, its packaging was really eye-catching, and that was the reason I brought this product. Similarly, since they had given that 100% Swadeshi, this also attracted me in buying this product. Next video, I will bring the review of this Chintoo's tomato soup. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was informational and helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down and like and share this video. Thank you.